Welcome to our channel MCQ1. In today's topic, we will going to cover top 50 biology MCQ. So let's start the video. Which of the following is the largest gland of the human body? Pancreas, liver, skin, ovary. The correct answer is option B. Liver is the largest gland in the human body. Saliva helps in the digestion of fats, starch, proteins, vitamins. The correct answer is option B. Saliva helps in the digestion of starch. What is the average length of an adult stomach? 12 inches, 14 inches, 10 inches, 18 inches. The correct answer is option A. The average length of an adult stomach is about 12 inches. Which enzyme helps in digestion of fats? Amylase, lipase, pepsin, none of these. The correct answer is option B. Lipase enzyme helps in digestion of fats. Which enzyme breaks down starch into smaller carbohydrate molecules in the mouth? Pepsin, lipase, amylase, trypsin. The correct answer is option C. Amylase. Which of the following parts of the brain controls body temperature and hunger? Thalamus, pons, cerebellum, hypothalamus. The correct answer is option D. Hypothalamus parts of the brain control body temperature and hunger. Which protein is found in egg whites? Collagen, keratin, ovalbumin, oxytocin. The correct answer is option C. Ovalbumin protein is found in egg whites. Which enzyme is responsible for breaking down proteins in the stomach? Pepsin, amylase, lipase, trypsin. The correct answer is option A. Pepsin enzyme is responsible for breaking down proteins in the stomach. Which of the following cells secrete pepsin? Gastric chief cell, parietal cell, mucus cell, none of these. The correct answer is option A. Gastric chief cell secrete pepsin. Which organ in the human body stores glycogen? Liver, kidney, heart, brain. The correct answer is option A. Liver organ in the human body stores glycogen. The heart is located in which cavity of the body? Cranial cavity, abdominal cavity, thoracic cavity, pelvic cavity. The correct answer is option C. The heart is located in thoracic cavity of the body. Which one of the following layer provide outer covering to the heart? Myocardium, endocardium, epicardium, none of these. The correct answer is option C. Epicardium layer provide outer covering to the heart. Which cell type is responsible for the production of antibodies? Neutrophils, mast cell, B cell, platelets. The correct answer is option C. B cells is responsible for the production of antibodies. Which immune cells are involved in the rejection of organ transplants? T cells, B cells, macrophages, eosinophils. The correct answer is option A. T cells are involved in the rejection of organ transplants. What is the main component of bones and teeth? Calcium carbonate, calcium phosphate, calcium sulfate, calcium nitrate. The correct answer is option B. Calcium phosphate is the main component of bones and teeth. Where is the thyroid gland located? Neck, chest, abdomen, head. The correct answer is option A. The thyroid gland is located in the neck. Which of the following carbohydrates is commonly found in honey? Glucose, fructose, maltose, sucrose. The correct answer is option B. Fructose carbohydrates is commonly found in honey. The process of sperm production is known as oogenesis, fertilization, spermatogenesis, ejaculation. The correct answer is option C. The process of sperm production is known as spermatogenesis. Which of the following organ is majorly affected by hepatitis? Liver, heart, kidneys, brain. The correct answer is option A. Liver organ is majorly affected by hepatitis. Which hormone is responsible for regulating salt and water balance in the kidneys? Insulin, aldosterone, thyroxine, melatonin. The correct answer is option B. Aldosterone hormone is responsible for regulating salt and water balance in the kidneys. What is the name of the structure that connects the small intestine to the large intestine? Duodenum, jejunum, ileum, cecum. The correct answer is option D, cecum. What is the name of the protein that makes up muscle fibers? Hemoglobin, collagen, myosin, actin. The correct answer is option C. Myosin is the name of the protein that makes up muscle fibers. What is the name of the protein that plays a role in cell movement and contraction? Hemoglobin, collagen, myosin, actin. The correct answer is option D. Actin is the name of the protein that plays a role in cell movement and contraction. The part of the brain responsible for maintaining balance like walking in a straight line or riding a bicycle is called medulla, pons, pituitary gland, cerebellum. The correct answer is option D, cerebellum. Which of the following is the outermost layer of the uterus? Endometrium, myometrium, perimetrium, ovarian follicle. The correct answer is option C. Perimetrium is the outermost layer of the uterus. Which structure connects the uterus to the vagina? Ovary, fallopian tube, cervix, none of these. The correct answer is option C. Cervix structure connects the uterus to the vagina. What is the name of the wall that separates the stomach from the small intestine? Cardiac sphincter, pyloric sphincter, esophageal sphincter, none of these. The correct answer is option B. Pyloric sphincter is the name of the wall that separates the stomach from the small intestine. Which of the following is responsible for the production and regulation of sperm cells? Seminal vesicle, Leydig cell, Sertoli cell, Coffer's gland. The correct answer is option C. Sertoli cells is responsible for the production and regulation of sperm cells. The adrenal glands are located on the top of which organ? Liver, kidneys, pancreas, spleen. The correct answer is option B. The adrenal glands are located on the top of kidneys. Which hormone is responsible for regulating calcium levels in the blood? Insulin, glucagon, calcitonin, aldosterone. The correct answer is option C. Calcitonin hormone is responsible for regulating calcium levels in the blood. Vitamin B9 is also known as biotin, folic acid, riboflavin, none of these. The correct answer is option B. Vitamin B9 is also known as folic acid. Which hormone is responsible for stimulating milk production in the mammary glands? Prolactin, oxytocin, estrogen, testosterone. The correct answer is option A. Prolactin. Anemia occurs due to the deficiency of riboflavin, biotin, folic acid, none of these. The correct answer is option C. Anemia occurs due to the deficiency of folic acid. Where does fertilization typically occur in the human reproductive system? Uterus, ovary, fallopian tube, vagina. The correct answer is option C. Fallopian tube. Carbohydrate is stored in the body as glucose, starch, glycogen, sucrose. The correct answer is option C. Carbohydrate is stored in the body as glycogen. When there is a shortage of oxygen in the body, which organ is most affected? Intestine, skin, kidney, brain. The correct answer is option D. Brain. The condition characterized by a lack of red blood cell or hemoglobin is known as anemia, leukemia, hemophilia, thrombocytosis. The correct answer is option A. Anemia. Which respiratory structure is commonly known as the windpipe? Trachea, bronchus, bronchiole, none of these. The correct answer is option A. Trachea respiratory structure is commonly known as the windpipe. Bleeding of gums and losing of teeth is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. The correct answer is option C, vitamin C. Which part of the brain controls the basic rhythm of breathing? Cerebellum, hypothalamus, medulla oblongata, cerebrum. The correct answer is option C. Medulla oblongata part of the brain controls the basic rhythm of breathing. The heart's electrical impulses travel through specialized cells called neurons, cardiomyocytes, pacemaker cells, epithelial cells. The correct answer is option C. The heart's electrical impulses travel through specialized cells called pacemaker cells. Which of the following types of joints allow the widest range of movement? Hang joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint, gliding joint. The correct answer is option B. Ball and socket joint. What is the name of the fluid that lubricates joints and reduces friction between bones? Cerebrospinal fluid, synovial fluid, lymphatic fluid, gastric juice. The correct answer is option B. Synovial fluid. Prokaryotic cells reproduce asexually through a process called meiosis, mitosis, binary fission, conjugation. The correct answer is option C. Prokaryotic cells reproduce asexually through a process called binary fission. The sinoatrial SA node is commonly known as pacemaker of the heart, conducting system of the heart, atrioventricular AV node, bundle of His. The correct answer is option A. The sinoatrial node is commonly known as pacemaker of the heart. Which hormone regulates blood sugar levels? Insulin, glucagon, cortisol, thyroxine. The correct answer is option A. Insulin hormone regulates blood sugar levels. Which gland is responsible for producing insulin? Thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, pituitary gland. The correct answer is option C. Pancreas. The pacemaker of the heart which sets the rhythm of the heartbeat is located in the right atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. The correct answer is option A. Right atrium. Which organ is responsible for detoxifying chemicals and metabolizing drugs? Kidneys, liver, pancreas, spleen. The correct answer is option B. Liver. What is the name of the muscle that separates the chest cavity from the abdominal cavity and aids in breathing? Diaphragm, pectoralis major, trapezius, none of these. The correct answer is option A, diaphragm. Thanks for watching. Subscribe MCQs 1 for latest informative MCQs.